Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Quant over here, going all the way back to 2018. And what we see is a five-way move to the upside in the form of a leading diagonal. Now, with leading diagonals, the waves overlap each other, and then for the subwaves, you're going to have an ABC within each of the waves. This is the ultimate bear trap, and the reason for that is because it is a rising wedge. And when you go below the lower boundary of the wedge, you're going to have a lot of retail panicking, thinking it's going to break below the starting point, when in reality it bounces off key support, and in this case bounced off the 50% in the form in to formulate your wave 3. So it bounced off the 50% for your wave 2 and then went on to formulate your wave 3, going all the way up to the 1.236 extension. So this wave 3 was extended, okay? And it went from 2020 all the way up to 2021. So this was the March 2020 bull market. And we topped out with Bitcoin. Once we topped out with Bitcoin for our wave 3, we had a five-way move to the downside for our A wave, three-way move up for our B wave, and then another five-way move down here for our C wave. Then we started then from June 2022 to October 2022, we formulated our wave 1 of 5. Okay, so this is your wave 1. Then you have a triple zigzag, so a W, X, Y, X, Z correction for our wave 2. And this is called Wyckoff reaccumulation. So basically, whenever you have a trend, you're gonna see a pause in the price for some time. So this is just reaccumulation, okay? And then you're gonna see continuation. And there's a famous saying, and it says that the markets will remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So you have a lot of people, you have a lot of OG quant holders giving up within this reaccumulation schematic. But they're unable, and the reason for that is because they're unable to see what exactly is going on. Okay? And the thing that's going on is just a wave 2. This is just a long and drawn out wave 2 in the form of Wyckoff reaccumulation. This green zone over here, or this blue zone over here, I like to call it the no panic zone. And the reason for that is because every time it comes down to this zone, you have a lot of retail traders panicking, selling their bags to the smart money, right? To the smart money who's scooping up shares within the bottom half of this bull flag that we're in. Okay, so this is a bull flag. This is a horizontal channel, and it's very likely we're going to see continuation here. Okay, so what we can do is take a fib from this Y wave low up to this X wave high, and you can see that we're just below the 78.6% fib. We still have the 88.6% fib and the 100% fib left at $90 to $84. So from $90 to $84 and from current prices is where you would want to be want a DCA, not financial advice. In order to anticipate an explosive wave 3 to the upside, come down for a quick wave 4, and the reason it's going to be quick is because we had such a long and drawn out wave 2, and this goes hand in hand with the alternation topic in the Elliott wave theory. Whenever you have a complex and long wave 2, you're going to have a simple and short wave 4, and vice versa. As you can see, this wave 2 lasted over 560 days. So there's a reason that the price is maintained within this channel for over 560 days. It would be very unlikely, very, very unlikely that we just have a breakdown right there. Okay? It just wouldn't make the most sense. Because this is a reaccumulation range. Once you break out of this range over here, it's going to be very explosive. So you have a wave 3, come down for a wave 4 down to the 23 or 38.2% fib, then finish up with a wave 5, likely towards your 4.236 extension, measured from this wave 3 high down to this wave 4 low on the linear scale. And due to the fact that crypto is a very highly over-leveraged market and that there's a lot of FOMO, it's likely going to extend past your 4.236, likely towards above $2,000. Okay. Now, when we also take a look at the stock RSI over here, we see that we have a higher low on the price, okay, but we have lower lows on the stock RSI. And now this is the weekly stock RSI. So remember, the high time frames take precedence over the lower time frames. Now, what we see over here on the stock RSI is it's curling up from the lows. Okay, so it already goes to show you that we're already in highly oversold conditions. Okay, we're already at the bottom half of this channel over here, and yeah, it's just the charts are showing that we are primed for a very nice move up. Okay, and once this fifth wave comes to fruition near the upper half of this broadening wedge, you're likely going to see a very bad breakdown. Okay, you're going to see a breakdown of Quant, and it would likely come down to your, if this was your top over here, it would likely come down to your 70.2% fib at $12. So it would be a very big crash. So definitely look to take profit up here and skim profits out along the way. So just so you can be safe, not financial advice. Hope you guys enjoyed the Quant video. There will be updates to this chart, but I won't be updating it on YouTube. I will be only updating it in the Discord. So if you haven't joined the Discord, please click the link in the description below. You get access to over 350 charts. All of the roadmaps are available to you. You can ask me any question you want, and you get updates throughout the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the Quant video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out, and take it easy. See you in the next one.